Hi students, in my last class we see the addition. Okay, now in this class we see the subtraction. 2.3 subtraction. They are giving some keywords. Take away, left, subtract, difference, less. Take away, left, subtract, difference, less. All the one gives the same meaning, that is the subtraction. Okay, now here giving one story here giving one story. Okay, here listen, first look at this picture. Okay, what is this? Yes, rabbit. How many rabbits are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 rabbits are there. Okay, 5 rabbits. In second picture, look at the second picture. Now, how many rabbits? Here also 5 rabbits only having. 1 2 3 4 5. But these 2 rabbits are running. Okay, running away. Okay, so how many rabbits are there stay in that same place? 1 2 3. 3 rabbits are staying that same place, but 2 rabbits are running pass away from that place. Okay, then in the third picture, how many rabbits? 1 2 3. Only 3. Why? Because the 2 rabbits are running away, no? So finally, how many rabbits? 3 rabbits only having. So this is the subtraction, which like means first, in first picture, how many rabbits ma? Yes, 5 rabbits. Okay, in addition, plus is the symbol. Okay, but in subtraction, minus, that means one hyphen. This is what? This is the symbol of subtraction. Okay, look at this second picture. How many rabbits are passing away? Yes, 1 2. 2 rabbits are passing away. Okay, same like that. We want to find the answer means first of all we want to put the equal to. Okay, in last picture, how many rabbits are finally having? 1 2 3. So 3 is the answer. This is the subtraction method. Understood? Okay, the next page number 42. Take away. Subtraction means to take away. Subtraction has the another one name, that is take away. Take away. Okay, now take away. Subtraction means to take away. Okay, in first one, how many apples are there? 1 2 3. How many? 3. Okay, in 3 fruits, the girl is taken away. 1 fruit is taken away, isn't it, no? Okay, how many taken away? 1. Okay, from there are three fruits and 1 fruit is taken away. Now finally left means what? Yes, finally remaining, that means the left means the remaining fruits. Now remaining, how many fruits are there? 1 2. Okay, this is the method of taken away. Now practice. From first, how many what is this? Yes, chocolates, I thinking. Yes, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many, 6. So put here 6. Taken away, the boy is taking how many chocolate? Yes, only 1. So put 1 here. Okay, left means remaining. How many chocolates are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So put here 5. Okay, now the next question same like that. How many cows are there? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So put here 4. Move away. Look the picture very clearly. The 3 cows are having in the same direction, but 1 cow is what? Moving, pass away. Isn't it, no? How many cow? Only 1 cow. So put 1. So remaining left. How many cows are there? 1 2 3. Now, how many children are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many, 7. So put 7 here. Go away. How many children are go away? Yes, this is the playing. How many are passing away? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 children are passing, go away. So put 4. Okay, well, don't confuse. Here, join the, that means what? Join their hands and playing, no. Here also see, join this hand. But the 4 students are coming away. So put 4 here. Now, how many left? 1, 2, 3. Then last question. How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fly away, how many? 1, 2. Now, remaining left, how many balloons are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Very easy now. Now, the same like that. Page number 43. Subtract. Yes, I already said no. Minus is the symbol of subtraction. Same like that, ma. First, how many laddus are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 putting, yeah. So, here there is no here we don't here we not putting the symbol, but here we use the symbol. That is the difference for this 2 page. But the method is all the one the same only. Okay, va? Okay, we put the symbol of subtraction. Then how many taken away? 1, 2. So put here 2. Equal to. So finally how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Practice. Same like that we do. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. How many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So put here 8. Okay. How many leaves are fallen? 1, 2. So 8 minus 2 equal to remaining how many leaves? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So put 6. Very easy, no? Okay. Now, how many chicks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 minus. How many have passed away? 1, 2, 3. The chicks are in pound. In the first picture, all the chicks are in the pound. Okay, but in second picture, only one chicks are staying here, but all the one are move away. So we want to count the move away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So put here 5 equal to. So 6 minus 5 equal to how many remaining, ma? 1. So put here 1. Same like that. How many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus. How many birds are running? Sorry. Flying away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So put 4. 9 minus 4 equal to. How many birds are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just count and writing the objects. How many pots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 6 minus. How many pots are broken? 1, 1, 2. 2 pots are broken. So 6 minus 2 equal to remaining how many? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, this is the subtraction. Okay, the next page number 44. Learn. Complete the subtraction fact by circling. By circling. We want to put the circle. Okay, va? Now, first count this all the birds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds are there. This is a subtraction, no. So, they are putting the minus symbol. Okay. Now, how many birds are circled here? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, put here 3 equal to. So, remaining how many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, answer is the 4. This is the subtraction. Now, practice. They are self giving this number. We want to find out the last number only. That means answer. Okay, va? How many goats are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Subtraction means minus symbol. Now, 2 va? So, 2 means we want to circle how many boats? Yes, 2 boats. So, 2 boats are. So, we start circle. 1, 2. We circled. Equal to. So, the last box for what ma? Yes, left. The last box what? Left. Okay, left means what? Remaining. So, remaining how many goats are there? 1, 2, 3. So, 3 is the answer. Okay, now, here. How many objects ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 4 there itself giving. So, we want to circle how many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Equal to the last one. Subtraction means? Yes, left. Left how many? 1, 2. So, put 2 here. Okay. Now, learn. Complete the subtraction by striking. That means we want to strike out, cut. Okay. Here, how many leaves are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Subtraction means minus. So now here cutting how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 pictures are cutting. So 3 equal to the last box is remaining. Remaining how many ma? 1. Okay va? Nothing difference ma. Here we putting the circle. Here putting the line. Cross out line. Okay va? That is the only difference for this. Now tractors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Subtraction symbol minus. Then here giving 6. So we want to cut how many? 6. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Equal to. Now the last box is remaining. Remaining how many? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the answer. Understood, Amma? Now the next page number 45. Now we starting the real sum. That means numbers. Okay, va? Before page they are giving the pictures. We done the subtraction. Now here giving the directly the numbers. Okay, the same like that. Nothing difference. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. That like giving ma. First of all 3 yeah. So we put the 3 lines like this. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines. Okay va? Minus. Minus means subtract. We want to subtract how many? 2. So we cut 2 lines. 1, 2. Okay, equal to. Now what is the answer? Answer means the remaining one. No. Remaining how many ma? 1. Only 1 lines are there. So 1 is the answer. Very simple. This is also same line. Here giving the flatly, here giving the straightly number. That is the different for that. Okay. Now practice. Okay. I am doing the 2 sums remaining your homework ma. So listen carefully. 6 So we draw the 6 lines near the 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Minus 1. Minus 1. So we want to cut how many? 1. Now we want to find out the answer. No. So you remaining how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the answer. Okay va? Understood? Now 5. So draw 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2. So we want to cut how many? 2 lines. 1, 2 lines we cut it. Now equal to what is the answer? What is the remaining? 1, 2, 3. Same like that. 9. So 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Minus 4. So we want to cut 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So remaining how many lines ma? That is the answer. Listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the answer. Okay va? Now here we using the lines. No. Here using the beads. Okay. That's all. The same method only. 5. So we draw beads. Using beads they are giving. So we draw the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 1 means we cut the 1. Okay, cut it up. So we know the answer, isn't it, Noma? What? The remaining beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the answer. Same like that. 6. So draw the 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, wow. 6 beats. I'm draw it. Minus 1. Minus 1 means we want to cut the 1. Okay. Now what is the answer? Remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 5 is the answer. Now here same 5. So 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Minus 2 means cut the 2. Okay. Now answer what? 1, 2, 3. 3 is the answer. 9. So 9 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now minus 4. So cut the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is the remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the answer. That's all. This is the subtraction method, ma. Now try this. Create your own subtraction fact. For example, I writing 2 minus 1 equal to what? That like I'm asking. Okay, va? 2. So we draw the 2 beats. Okay. Minus 1 means I want to cut how many beats? 1 beat. Equal to dash. The last box is for left. That means remaining. Remaining how many beats? 1. Okay, va? Now the next page number 46. Mind map. Fill in the box to get 3. To get 3. Now one box there itself giving, ma. Subtraction only. But in all the sum the answer is 3 only. There itself giving. Okay. We want to find out the first number. Which like first. Here see, ma. We don't know this number. You forgot this number. Okay, va? Now here giving 3 and 6 only. We want to find out the first one. Okay. How? Very easy. We want to make the addition for second number and the answer. Okay, va? So 6 plus 3. Don't make any confusion. Okay, va? This is a subtraction only. But we find out here the first number. Okay. So only we add this, the second number and the answer. Okay, va? So 6 plus 3 what? 6 in a mind, 3 in a finger. Okay, 6 in a mind, 3 in a finger, 6 after, 7, 8, 9. 9 having a? Okay. Now here, same like that. First one we want to find out. Answer is 3. So you add this 4 and 3. 4 in a mind, 3 in a finger. 4 after, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the answer. Okay, va? Now here, same like that. No. Here giving the first number. So now we want to find out the second number means you subtract this 2. Okay. Don't confuse, ma. We need the first number means do the addition. Okay. We need the second number means make the subtraction. Okay. 8. 8 minus 3. How many, ma? Open your 8 fingers. Okay. Now close your 3 fingers. How many fingers remaining? 5. Very good. Here same like that. Say another one example, ma. 2 boxes also we want to find out. But we get the answer 3. Yes, very good. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 remaining 3. Okay. Now mind map, oral. That means word problem they are giving. Pari brought 7 banana. How many banana, ma? 7 banana. Okay. His brother 8. 8 means his brother already eat it. Okay. How many? 2. Okay. How many? 2. Okay. How many bananas are left? Underline the word left. What does mean by left? Yes, very good. Subtraction. So in between these two numbers, put the subtraction symbol. Then equal to. Now 7 minus 2 equal to what? Okay, va? So open your 7 fingers, ma. Close your 2 fingers. Now how many fingers remaining? Yes, 5. Okay va? You don't know means just put the dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 dots I kept it. 2, that means dots, you consider the this dot and all banana. Okay, 7 bananas are there. 2 banana I already eat it, so cut this 2 banana. Okay, remaining how many bananas are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5. Here write the bananas. Okay va? Now Mani brought 6 eggs. Okay va? How many eggs ma? 6 eggs. 3 of them were broken. How many eggs are broken? 3 eggs are broken. How much eggs left? Here also left. Left means subtraction. So put the subtraction symbol, then equal to. Here also the same way. Kept the 6 dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this dots and all here eggs. Okay, now 3 eggs are broken. So cut the 3. 1 2 3. Now remaining how many? 1 2 3. So 3 eggs only left. So write here 3 eggs. Now Tendril is 8 years old. Her sister Nila. Tendril how many years ma? 8 years old. Her sister Nila is 2 years younger. Younger means what? Yes, that means the smaller two. Tendril is the first baby. Nila is the second baby. Her sister Nila is 2 years younger than her. Okay, how many years? 2 years. How much did? This is addition or subtraction? Yes, subtraction. So put the subtraction symbol. 8 minus 2 what? Yes, 6 years. This is the answer. Think like the mathematician. How can I fill this boxes using this number? 8 5 3. They are giving the 3 boxes. That means what? Minus, we make the subtraction here. Okay va? In subtraction, the first box, it should be must a greater number. That means what? Biggest number. In this 3 number, which is the biggest? Yes, 8. So first box 8 we find out. Okay va? In subtraction, don't forget ma, the first box must be the biggest number. Okay va? So in this 3 number, 8 is the biggest. So I am writing here 8. So 5. Okay, 8 minus, next number what? 5. I am putting 5. So 8 minus 5 what? Open your 8 fingers. Then after close your 5 fingers. Then remaining what? Yes, very good. That means 3. So this is the format. Okay. Okay, now the next page number 47. Pleasure time. Fill in the circle. Plus or minus. In the circle there is only what? They are giving the option plus or minus. Okay, the first one there itself giving ma. This is very simple ma. I am already said that in before page. That means the first number in subtraction, the first number should be the biggest number, isn't it? I am already said no. Use the same method here. I am saying one tricks. Okay. In the question, the last box biggest number means the answer is plus. Okay va? Suppose the first box having the biggest number means that is a subtraction. Very simple. Okay va? So in first question 3 2 5, which is the biggest number? Yes, 5. That is in last box, isn't it? So addition plus. Okay, look at the second question. 4 2 2, which is the biggest number? 4. So in first box biggest number means put minus. Okay, same like that. 8 3 5, which is the biggest number? This question we already see in before page. Yes, very good. 8 is the biggest, so it is in first box, so put minus. Okay, now here 3 3 6. 3 3 6, which is the biggest number ma? 6. Very good. Okay, this is in last box, so put plus. Okay, 9 2 7, which is biggest? 9. That means first box biggest means minus. 2 8 2 6 8, which is the biggest? Last number. So last number means plus. Okay, wow. I am more than 5 and less than 8. Okay, I am more than 5. This is the number, ma. This is more than 5. More than 5 means what number, ma? That means 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. That like. But I am less than 8. Okay. 5. More than 5. Okay. And less than 8. Say this in between number, ma. 5 after 6, 7. Okay. I am more than 5. There give it less than 8 I am saying. Okay. But not 7. I am not 7 giving. Okay. Now what is the answer? 6. Very good. So 6 is the answer. Okay. Wow. Activity. Aim. Creating subtraction stories. Okay. I think this is the activity. Divide the class. So in our online class this is impossible. So we turn the next page. Now the next topic, 0. 0 means this is also one number, ma. Okay, va? 0 means this is also one number. Like 1, 2, 3. Like that 0 also is one number. Okay, they are giving one about that 0. I am the hero. My name is 0. First line. 3 bits of paper lying on the floor. There are how many papers, ma? 3 papers. Okay. 3 papers. Okay. Pick one up. How many? 1. So, I am taking 1. That means I am cutting 1. Okay. Pick one up. Put it in the bin. Okay. 1 paper is taken away. Okay. Look at the floor now. Now, how many left? That means how many remaining? 1, 2. How many remaining, ma? 2 is remaining. Okay. Now, 2 bits of paper are lying on the floor. 2 bits lying, okay. Pick one up. Again, wait, ma. First, 3 bits of paper. Okay, va? Taking 1 up, so I am cutting the 1. Remaining 2 papers. Okay. So again, now remaining how many papers, ma? 2 papers only having. So I am writing down 2 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick 1 up. Again, pick up 1 up. Okay. Now, how many remaining? Look at the floor now. How many remaining? 1 is left. Okay. Then again, 1 bit of paper. 1 bit of paper lying on the floor. Isn't it, no, ma? Pick it up. That also pick it. Now, look at the floor. There is no paper. Isn't it? That means no paper means that is what? In number, that is a 0. Okay, va? That means 0 means nothing. Okay. Now, learn. Look at this picture. In first cage, how many parrots are there? 1, 2. Okay. In second picture, how many flying? Okay. 1 parrot is only having in the cage, 1 is flying. Okay. Then last one, 2 also flying out. But inside how many parrots are there? No parrots. No parrots means that is a 0 parrot. Okay. 0 means nothing. Okay, va? That is empty means we in maths, that is empty means we put 0. 0 means nothing. Okay, va? 0 is also a number. I already said no. 0 is also one number. Now the next page, practice. Very easy. 0 means what? Just one circle. In all the box you put the 0, ma. Okay. Then pleasure time. Count and write the numbers of butterfly. Very easy, no? We count the butterflies and then write. Okay. In first one, how many butterflies? 1, 2, 3. Writing, in second one, how many butterfly? 1, 2. So put 2. In third box, how many butterfly? 1. In last box, how many butterfly? There is no butterfly. There is nothing. So put 0. Okay. Second one, same like that. We want to count and write the pencil. First one, how many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So put 4. In second box, how many pencils? No pencils. So put 0. In third box, how many pencil? 1, 2, 3. So put 3. In last one, how many pencil? 1. So put 1. Third one, count and write the number of tomatoes. In first plates, how many tomatoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So put 7. Okay. In second box, how many? 1, 2, 3. So put 3. The next one, how many tomatoes? There is no tomatoes, so put 0. Okay, here, how many tomatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, understand, Amma? So, this is your second unit. That means the number unit is over. Okay.